Hey, I just received this masking tape from the brand. It comes in a pack of 10, and we're using it on this poster board as an arts and crafts project that my daughter and I are going to be doing a little bit later. And we're going to be painting each of these sections, and we're just going to see how well this masking tape does as far as preventing bleeds and such. So you can probably use this also as for painting home projects, as in like the walls of your bathroom or kitchen or whatever as well. But let me go ahead and show you how it turned out. All right, 24 hours. Let's see how well this masking tape did as far as segmenting each part here for this art project that we worked on. So the first layer is right over here. Oh, look at that. It's a pretty clean edge with little to no bleeding at all. Look at that. Super clean. Let's see how well it did on some of the thicker paint right here. So these are like really, really thick paint. So let me go ahead and pull that up. And I love how it's not pulling off any of the poster board either. So I was afraid if it was too sticky. Okay. All right. That's pretty good. I can see where some parts of the paint did come off, and that's probably because it was just really thick on there, and it's like, it's kind of unavoidable when you have really thick paint over a piece of masking tape and you pull it off and some of it comes off, but this is really good. Like the other parts, like here, for example, super clean edge. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest. So we did have a little bit of tear here, but that is the corner of the poster board. And overall, though, I would say that the masking tape did do a pretty good job on the rest of it. It's just that this corner piece, we just had a slight issue because the edge of the poster board is a foam poster board. And so there is a layer of paper on top of the foam poster board. So that did come off a little bit, but I imagine if you were using this on kind of like a wall, you may not have the same problem. Just something to be aware of. Overall, though, I think that this masking tape did a pretty good job. Hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.